Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Minceetbien Silicone Reline Denture set. So you should purchase this product or not, and what are the main problems of this product. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the official website Minceetbien. Okay, and we talk about this website is trust score is 1 out of 100, which is very negative, and the trust score depends on lots of factors, how the website deliver product and what is the quality of the product. Okay, and you can see the website age is like 10 months from now. It means this is a very newly launched website. And we talk about the product is available on this website is approx $29 for one set, and the product is easily available on walmart.com on like $22 only. And if we talk about this product is also available on Temu, and you can see over here there on Temu these kind of you can select product is very easily available. And on Alibaba you can also see this kind of product is easily available, and the costing of the product is only like $1 to $2 only. Okay, so the basic thing I want to tell you, like, this is not looking like a worthy product. It's a totally waste of money product. And what are the problems? The first problem of the product is like when you purchase the product, there is no guarantee you will get benefits of this product or not. And the second problem of the product is like when you purchase product, if you not like the product, you have to accept the product. You cannot get your money back after purchasing product. Okay, so these are the two issues, very biggest issues. So now you can make your own decision what you have to do. I have done my job, now your turn. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. And if you have any experience with this product, you can share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment will help for lots of people. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.